Hello everyone, my name is Natalia Alves and I own a company called Bombom. As you can see on the screen, it is a sweet store and we are coming out with a new product. This product is called Bolo and it was designed to be a little piece of cake covered with chocolate. They are squared and handmade so people have a sweet gift to make someone's day better. It can be stuffed by 4 different flavors, that is strawberry, coconut, passion fruit, and brigadeiro, that is a Brazilian kind of chocolate. This is a newer product and uncommon yet. Who doesn't love chocolate? Did you know that São Paulo, Brazil, there was a 12% growth in chocolate sales from 2019 to 2020? Our customers are chocolate lovers who brings love to life through a delicious small cake. They are perfect celebrations gift as Easter and Christmas and Valentine's Day. Brazilians spend a lot of money in chocolate and desserts. We have a page on Instagram with our products and you can make another on Instagram direct or WhatsApp. After the product gets known throughout the state of São Paulo, we will go to some supermarkets and some restaurants for distribution. I don't work alone, so we are a team of 3 great people that are responsible for different areas. I work in the production and sales. I have a partner to take care of the logistic and another responsible for the marketing. If this sounds interesting to you, please send me a message and I will be happy to give you a call to talk with you a little bit more. Thank you so much.